It's another one of these SMC pieces of shit. Oh shit. These blades don't shatter as easy.
Okay.
Check this out.
Damn. Did not do jack.
I know. Oh shit. Jesus. Doesn't want to stay.
Right.
Oh, the back came off. Did you see that shit? Put it back and turn it on. Oh, the new feature. Here. How about make it easier and just smash it on the grass over here? I'm scared. There we go. These fans are more strong. Man, you just absolutely slaughtered this thing. Come on.
It's a drunk fan.
Yeah, I just want to go home. Damn, bro. Holy shit. Oh my god, bro. You're absolutely annihilating it. Does it still work?
Hell.
Here, turn it on. Oh, it still works. It's like half missing. It looks like someone chewed a bite out of it. It looks like someone ate it. Look at that. There we go. Nice. Oh, it's not plugged in.
Oh,
Oh,
yeah.
it still works. Well, if you just replace the blade, you got another desk fan, it's fine. Come on. Work. 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 Work.
Oh.
It works. Ah, whisper quiet.
It's still working. Hold on, let me get it. Damn, that shit kind of hurt, actually.
Oh yeah, it's broken sharp plastic, of course it's gonna hurt. How the fuck did that do that? What the fuck? Oh, okay. That's fucking stupid shit. Jesus. Come on. Guys, stay in. Stupid ass fan. Achoo. Oh, I'm satisfied.
Yay!
Time to clean this up, which takes 3 times longer than destroying it.
Yay! All right, let's clean it.